Reduce, reuse, and recycle. What is waste? Waste is nothing that we throw out and we cannot reuse. One person can throw away over 1,000 pounds of trash a year. Together we make tons of waste. A lot of trash winds up in our landfills. Some waste is biodegradable, which means it breaks down in our environment naturally, and a lot of waste is not biodegradable. It can cause a lot of problems and harm the soil, water, and air. But there is a lot to do to help our environment. How can we reduce waste? We can reduce the waste by using less stuff and using only what we need. You can reduce how much water you use by turning the faucet off when you are not using it. Natural resources. It is something that we get from the environment. Water, plants, animals, and soil are all natural resources. It's important to conserve or save our natural resources. Since natural resources power many of our homes and cars, we should reduce the amount of energy we use. We can turn off the lights when we don't use them. We can save energy by turning down the heater a little. We can also reduce waste by reusing items. How do we reuse? Reuse means to use it again and again. Items that you only use once are disposable and cause a lot of waste. It's much better to use items that you can use over and over again. Plastic bags can take hundreds of years to break down. We can use reusable bags instead. Instead of throwing away broken toys, you can fix them, and you can also give away toys, books, furniture, and clothing you don't want anymore. Then they can be reused by other people. How do we recycle? When you recycle, you use materials from old items to make new items. You can recycle things like plastic bottles, cans, glass paper, and even batteries. Aluminum cans and bottles can be recycled to make new cans and bottles. Steel can be recycled and used to make steel from buildings. Parts from old electronic equipment can be used to make new electronic equipment. The plastic from plastic bottles can be turned into rugs, shoes, shirts, even playground equipment. Recycling saves energy and natural resources. When we recycle paper, you save trees from being cut down. It's important to care for our environment. We only have one planet, and it's up to all of us to take care of it.